Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to use the Object Eraser on your Galaxy S21. The Object Eraser easily removes objects, people or anything else in your pictures without having to download a range of third-party applications. Such a feature is readily available on your device, and all you need to do is enable it. Here's how you do that. Launch the camera and take a picture. Choose the picture you want to edit, and tap the pencil icon. Tap the More Settings icon on the upper right corner of the screen. Tap Labs. Tap the switch next to Object Eraser to enable it. Now go back to the previous screen and you should see the Object Eraser icon just below the picture, so tap on it. All you need to do now is select the objects on your picture you want to delete. They will be highlighted in red. Once you've selected them, tap Erase to remove them from the picture. The system will automatically fill the spot where those objects were removed from. Depending on the quality of the picture, your phone may perfectly remove the object, but such a feature needs more improvements in the future. We'll just have to wait and see. And that's pretty much it. We hope that this guide can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you enable the notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.